Hello everyone, and welcome. As the weather turns cooler and the days grow shorter, we may find ourselves spending more time indoors. But that doesn't mean our connection to nature has to fade. Just as our homes bring us joy, so too can the presence of thriving plants. Want to keep your plants thriving all winter long? In this video, I'll share 5 simple plant hacks that will keep your indoor space green and vibrant, even in the colder months. In winter, the air inside our homes can become quite dry, which can be tough on our plant friends. The heating systems we use to keep ourselves warm can strip the air of moisture, creating an environment that is far from ideal for many of our beloved houseplants. This dry air can lead to a host of problems for plants, such as browning leaf tips, wilting, and an overall decline in health. It's important to recognize that while we might be comfortable, our plants are silently struggling. Many of them come from more humid environments. Plants like ferns, orchids, and many tropical species thrive in conditions where the air is moist and the humidity levels are high. These plants are accustomed to the damp, lush environments of rainforests and tropical regions, where the air is thick with moisture. When we bring these plants into our homes, we need to try to replicate their natural habitat as closely as possible to keep them thriving. But don't worry. There's a simple solution that brings a touch of spa-like luxury to your plants: the humidity tray. This easy DIY project not only helps to increase the humidity around your plants, but also adds a decorative element to your indoor garden. It's a win-win situation for both you and your plants. Creating a humidity tray is a fun and rewarding way to show your plants some extra love and care. To create this oasis, find a shallow tray or dish. Even a plate will do. The key is to choose a container that is wide enough to hold your plant pot and has enough depth to accommodate a layer of pebbles and water. You can get creative with the type of tray you use. It could be a decorative ceramic dish, a plastic tray, or even a repurposed baking dish. The possibilities are endless, and you can choose something that complements your home decor. Add a layer of pebbles or stones. These can be small river rocks, aquarium gravel, or any other type of small decorative stones. The pebbles serve 2 purposes. They elevate the plant pot above the water level, preventing the roots from sitting in water and potentially rotting, and they also help to distribute the moisture evenly as the water evaporates. Arrange the pebbles in an even layer across the bottom of the tray, making sure they are spread out enough to support the plant pot. Then carefully pour water into the tray, ensuring it doesn't rise above the stones. The water should just reach the tops of the pebbles without covering them completely. This allows the water to evaporate slowly, creating a humid microclimate around the plant. Be mindful not to overfill the tray, as too much water can lead to mold growth or attract unwanted pests. It's a delicate balance, but with a little practice, you'll get it just right. Now, nestle your plant pot on top of the pebbles. Make sure the pot is stable and sits securely on the stones. The bottom of the pot should not be in direct contact with the water, as this can lead to root rot. The pebbles will keep the pot elevated, allowing the water to evaporate and create a humid environment around the plant. This setup mimics the natural conditions many tropical plants are used to, helping them to thrive indoors. As the water evaporates, it creates a gentle, humid microclimate around your plant, keeping its leaves happy and healthy. This increased humidity can make a significant difference in the health and appearance of your plants. You'll notice that the leaves are more vibrant, less prone to browning, and overall, the plant looks more vigorous. It's a simple yet effective way to improve the living conditions for your plants, especially during the dry winter months. So give it a try and watch your plants flourish in their new spa-like environment. Sunlight is like a nourishing meal for our plants, and during winter, every ray is precious. Observe your home throughout the day. Where does the sunlight linger the longest? Those sunny spots are prime real estate for your plants. Move them closer to windows, allowing them to soak up as much natural light as possible. And here's a little trick. Mirrors. Place a mirror strategically near your plants to reflect even more light their way. It's like giving them a little sunlit boost. Chapter 3. A gentle mist. Replenishing moisture, drop by tiny drop. Just as a refreshing mist can revitalize us, our plants also benefit from a gentle spritz of moisture. Imagine the feeling of a cool mist on a hot day, how it refreshes and rejuvenates us. Our plants, too, experience a similar sense of renewal when we provide them with a light misting. This simple act can make a world of difference in their overall health and appearance. Dry winter air can sap their energy, but we can easily combat this. During the colder months, indoor heating systems can create an environment that is particularly harsh for our green companions. The air becomes dry, and this lack of humidity can cause the leaves to droop and the plants to lose their vitality. However, with a little effort, we can create a more hospitable environment for them. Fill a spray bottle with room temperature water. Cold water can shock their delicate systems. It's important to use water that is neither too hot nor too cold, as extreme temperatures can be detrimental to the plants. Room temperature water is ideal because it is gentle and won't cause any sudden changes that could stress the plants. Approach your plant with a gentle touch and mist the leaves lightly. When misting, it's crucial to be gentle and avoid overdoing it. A light mist is sufficient to provide the necessary moisture without overwhelming the plant. Think of it as a delicate shower that refreshes without drenching. Avoid soaking them. Think of it as a refreshing dew settling upon them. The goal is to mimic the natural conditions that plants would experience in their native habitats. In nature, plants often receive moisture in the form of dew, which gently settles on their leaves. By replicating this, we help maintain the right balance of humidity. This simple act helps maintain humidity and keeps their leaves looking vibrant. Regular misting can significantly improve the appearance and health of your plants. The leaves will look more vibrant and the overall plant will appear more lively and robust. It's a small effort that yields great rewards. Additionally, misting can help prevent common issues such as spider mites and other pests that thrive in dry conditions. By maintaining a higher level of humidity, you create an environment that is less favorable for these pests, thereby protecting your plants from potential infestations. It's also a good idea to place your plants in areas where they can receive indirect sunlight. While misting provides the necessary moisture, light is equally important for their growth. Indirect sunlight ensures that the plants get enough light without being exposed to the harsh rays that can cause damage. Remember to check the soil moisture regularly. While misting helps with humidity, the roots still need adequate water. Ensure that the soil is kept moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering, so finding the right balance is key. With consistent care, you'll notice new growth and healthier plants. The combination of proper misting, adequate light, and regular soil moisture checks will create an ideal environment for your indoor plants to thrive. You'll be rewarded with lush, vibrant greenery that enhances your living space. Taking care of your plants can also be a relaxing and rewarding experience. It allows you to connect with nature and create a peaceful atmosphere in your home. The act of nurturing your plants can be a form of self-care, providing a sense of accomplishment and tranquility. Over time, you'll see the fruits of your labor as your plants flourish. Watching them grow and thrive can be incredibly satisfying. It's a reminder of the positive impact that a little care and attention can have, not just on your plants, but on your own well-being as well. So take a moment each day to mist your plants and enjoy the process. It's a small but meaningful way to contribute to their health and beauty. And in return, they'll bring a touch of nature's serenity into your home. This simple act helps maintain humidity and keeps their leaves looking vibrant. Regular misting can significantly improve the appearance and health of your plants. The leaves will look more vibrant, and the overall plant will appear more lively and robust. It's a small effort that yields great rewards. Chapter 4. Embracing the Glow. Supplementing with grow lights. Sometimes even our best efforts to maximize natural light aren't enough, especially during the darkest days of winter. The shorter days and overcast skies can leave our indoor plants yearning for more light, which is essential for their growth and overall health. This is where grow lights come into play, offering a reliable solution to keep our green friends happy and thriving. But don't worry, we can harness the power of technology to give our plants a helping hand. Grow lights, particularly LED grow lights, have revolutionized indoor gardening. They are designed to mimic the natural sunlight that plants need for photosynthesis, providing the right spectrum of light that encourages growth and development. Energy-efficient LED grow lights are like little suns, providing the specific wavelengths of light that plants need to thrive. These lights are not only effective but also cost-efficient, consuming less energy compared to traditional lighting options. This makes them an excellent choice for both small-scale indoor gardeners and larger horticultural setups. Place them a safe distance above your plants, following the manufacturer's instructions. It's important to ensure that the lights are neither too close nor too far from the plants. Too close, and you risk burning the leaves. Too far, and the plants may not receive enough light. Adjusting the height and positioning of the lights can make a significant difference in the health and growth of your plants. With this extra illumination, your plants can continue to photosynthesize and flourish, even when natural light is scarce. The benefits of using grow lights extend beyond just providing light. They can also help regulate the growth cycles of your plants, ensuring they receive consistent light exposure regardless of the season. This can be particularly beneficial for plants that require specific light conditions to bloom or produce fruit. There are various types of LED grow lights available, each offering different light spectrums and intensities. Some are designed for specific stages of plant growth, such as seedling, vegetative, or flowering stages. Understanding the needs of your plants and choosing the right type of grow light can greatly enhance their growth and productivity. Another important aspect to consider is the duration of light exposure. Using a timer to control the grow light schedule can help simulate natural day and night cycles, providing your plants with a consistent routine. Most plants require around 16 hours of light per day, but this can vary depending on the species and growth stage. By supplementing with grow lights, you can create an indoor garden that thrives year-round. Whether you're growing herbs, vegetables, or ornamental plants, the right lighting can make all the difference. Your indoor space can become a lush, green oasis, filled with healthy, vibrant plants that bring joy and beauty to your home. Embracing the glow of grow lights not only benefits your plants, but also enhances your indoor gardening experience. Watching your plants grow and flourish under the perfect lighting conditions can be incredibly rewarding. So, don't let the lack of natural light hold you back. With the right grow lights, you can cultivate a thriving indoor garden, no matter the season. Chapter 5. A gentle breeze air circulation for happy and healthy plants. Just as fresh air invigorates us, our plants also benefit from a gentle breeze. Stagnant air can create an environment ripe for pests and diseases, but we can easily prevent this. A small fan, placed a safe distance from your plants, can work wonders. Set it to a low setting and let it circulate the air around your plants. This gentle movement helps strengthen their stems, prevents fungal growth, and mimics the natural air circulation they would experience outdoors. As we embrace the cozy comforts of winter, let's not forget the simple joys that our plant companions bring into our homes. These easy and affordable hacks will help create a cozy green sanctuary in your home this winter. Remember to approach your plants with mindfulness and care, observing their subtle cues and responding with love. Let's make your indoor garden thrive. Subscribe for more plant care tips, and join us on this journey to keep your home green all season long.